5 seconds. Right to information is an act of the Parliament of India which sets out the rules and procedures regarding citizens' right to information. It replaced the former Freedom of Information Act 2002. Under the provision of RTI Act, any citizen of India may request information from a public authority, a body of government or instrumentally of state which is required to reply expeditiously or within 30 days. In case of matter involving a petitioner's life and liberty, the information has to be provided with 48 hours. The Act also requires every public authority to computerize their records for wide dissemination and to proactively publish certain categories of information so that the citizens need minimum resource to request for information formally. This law was passed by Parliament of India on 15 June 2005 and came fully into force on 12 October 2005. Every day, on an average, over 4,800 RTI applications are filled. In the first 10 years of the commencement of the Act, over 70,500,000 applications has been filled. Although right to information is not rights to freedom of expression and speech under Article 1A and right to life included as a fundamental right in the Constitution of India, it protects the fundamental and personal liberty under Article 21 guaranteed by the Constitution. The authorities under RTI Act 2005 are called public authorities. The Public Information Officer or the first appellate authority in the public authorities perform quasi-judicial function of deciding on the application and appeal respectively. This Act was enacted in order to consolidate the fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution, freedom of speech. Since RTI is implicit in the right to freedom of speech and expression under Article 19 of the Indian Constitution, it is an implied fundamental right. Information disclosure in India is restricted by the Official Secrets Act 1923 and various other special laws which the new RTI Act relaxes. Right to information codifies a fundamental right of the citizen of India. RTI has proven to be very useful but is counteracted by the Whistleblowers Protection Act 2011. The Right to Information Amendment Bill 2019 seeks to amend sections 13, 16 and 27 of the RTI Act. Section 13 of the original Act, it sets the term of the Central Chief Information Commissioner and Information Commissioners at 5 years or until the age of 65, whichever is earlier. Finally, in Ashwani K. Singh case on 20 September 2020, it is established the right to information is a fundamental right. The Act is applicable to the whole of India. Earlier, J&K Right to Information Act was in force in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. However, after the revocation of much of Article 370 of the Constitution of India, the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and also the Union Territory of Ladakh came under the Central Act also. It covers all the constitutional body authorities including executive, legislature and judiciary, any institution or body established or constituted by an act of parliament or a state legislature It is also defined in the Act that bodies or authorities established or constituted by order or notification of appropriate government, including bodies owned, controlled, or substantially financed by government or non-government organizations, substantially financed directly or indirectly by funds.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.